Hello students, today I am going to teach you the question number 7 from exercise 12.3. So we will see the question in figure 12.25. This is a figure given ABCD is a square. So square is given of side 14 centimeter. So here I'll draw one more figure and write 14 centimeter. Next, with the centers ABCD, which are the vertices of square, 4 circles are drawn. So 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. So each circle, let us take circle with center A, it touches the circle D and B externally, isn't it? Of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of shaded region. So let us find the area of shaded region. So I have drawn here figure so that there is no need to look at the question and again. So what we have to find out? First we'll write down the given things. Let ABCD be square. Each side here it is given 14 centimeter. Isn't it? And these are the centers. ABCD are the centers. So we have to find out the area of shaded region. So let us take this is the shaded region you have to find out. But we don't have direct formula for this kind of figure. This is, so shaded portion is in this shape. So we don't have formula. But what we can do here, you can see here, this is a square. You can find out the area of square. From that square area, we don't want this area. We just want the shaded part. So this area I'm pointing here 1, 2, 3. These 4 areas we have to remove. So we should find out. So this B is the center here. So this, the extra area is nothing but the area of sector. This is the area of sector of center A. This is the area of sector of center B. This is sector of C, and this is the sector of area of circle with center B. So this sector area we have to remove. So first of all, you have to find out the area of square, and then you have to find out the area of these 4 sectors. So let us find here area of square. Formula is side into side, or you can write as side square. So each side is 14. 14 into 14, that is 196 centimeter square. This is very important to write the unit. Now we need to find out the area of each sector. So here you can see. So here, if you observe here, we first find out its radius, isn't it? So here from this center to this center, it is 14. Again here 40. Again here 14. So you can see here the radius. Here we can find out half of the side, and each radius will get what? Same here, isn't it? Because each side here it is 14. The center of 2 circles were joined. So here 7 and here 7 will get. So radius of each circle will be half of here, isn't it? We want to find out this half part. So that is half of 14. 14 divided by 2, that is 7 centimeter. And for each circle we will get the same radius. So what you can do here, and this is a quadrant, isn't it? Quadrant. Why? Because here there is angle of 90 degree as it is square. So we have the 4 quadrant. Quadrant means what? 1/4 part of circle. So all are having same radius, so they will have same area. So if you find the area of one quadrant, you can find out the area of rest. These sectors are nothing but the quadrant here. So we'll find out the area of one sector or the one quadrant. Area of the sector, that is, the sector is a form of quadrant, form at each vertex. So you can use the formula of area of sector, that is pi r square theta by 360 degree. So by this formula also you can find out, and here theta will be 90 because it is square. Otherwise this is what? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So these 4 quadrant will form one complete circle. So we have here r. You can use the formula pi r square. With that formula also you will get the same answer. but I would like to find out the area of sector. So pi here 22/7 into r. R is 7 into 7. Theta is 90 upon 360. You can write down here theta is 90 degree. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. So 22 into 7 into this is 9 ones are 9 fours are 1 upon 4. Again here 2 twos are 2 11s are 11 into 7 into 1 is same here divided by 2. So this is 77 divided by 2. This is the area of each quadrant, that is each part area, each sector area we got. So 4 sector area we have to find out. So therefore total area of 4 quadrant or 4 sectors. Total area of 4 quadrants is equals to 4 into 77 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 into 77, that is 154 centimeter square. So as I told you, in another way also you can find out. You can just take pi square here and you can find out. So I'll show that also. Area of 4 quadrants. Together you can find out here area, because if you add all the quadrants it will form one full circle. So pi r square 22/7 into r is 7, 7 and here 7, 7 ones are 7 ones are here. So 22 into 7. So 22 into 7, that is 154 centimeter square. So you can see here, but this formula is possible when we have the sector and that sector is quadrant. Otherwise you can go for this formula, area of sector, and it will be useful for all the theta here. When theta is not given, you can go for this formula. Now we have to find out the area of the shaded portion. From this square area, subtract this 4 quadrant area. So that will get the area of shaded portion. Therefore, area of shaded region or shaded portion, that is equals to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. Area of square we got here 196, we got area of square 196 minus 154. Subtract this, 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 0. This is centimeter square. I hope you understood the method.